Hey guys, Chase from Signature. We just got brand new 2025 Devil's Red Quartermaster in. So today we're going to install our diff guards. Alright, so on the front diff guard we've got 4 holes here. We got 2 M12 holes and 2 M10 holes right back there. And all 4 are going to have these little rubber gasket things in there. All you got to do is work a pair of needle nose in there and just pull them out. So we got our skid plates right here. Primary difference is this larger edge right here. So both have this tab. The front one has this lip that pops up to protect your front diff a little better. All we're gonna do, go up here, mount the 2 M10s first, just loosely put them in. Alright, now those hang there. Now the 2 M12s. I'm running the M12s first. So the M10 flange nuts will take a 15 mil socket. Meanwhile, your front ones will take a 19 mil. So I recommend running the 19s first, and then you can keep the same socket on your gun whenever you run it. So in the back, we've got 4 M10 holes. Same rubber gaskets, just gonna pop those out. So I'm gonna start with the 2 that are far apart, down low on the diff.